Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing the Sunnyside soap by Morfosoaps, and that's an exciting soap to make, and this is the third soap in the month of September. Just before we get into the soap making, just to remind you guys of the giveaway for the month of September that we're doing through YouTube. So all you have to do is interact with each of the videos that we posted so far. We have two previous 2 weeks and this one, and then we have one more the next week, and then you can send us via social media or email your entry, which is the answer for what is the theme of the month. So now into the soap making. We started off by mixing off the colors on the side, and then we mixed the oils, butters, additives with the lye water solution to create the batter of the soap. And then we split off the batter into portions. We will start with the first portion, which is going to be the green to kind of represent the grass. And on this grass, we will have a cute rabbit eating grass or playing or jumping, whatever. So I used this cotton mold in bed to create a rabbit, a white rabbit from soap, and I entered it into the grass. The next color will be the brown, and this is used to shape the mountains. So we will have the grass, the rabbit on the grass, behind the rabbit we'll have mountains, and then we will have the sun shining in the sky, and that's why it's the Sunnyside soap by Morfosoaps. So this is the brown color. We mixed it out, and then we added the fragrance. We will pour it on top of the mold, and then keep on pouring the blue color for the sky. Also to mention, in order to shape the mountain, I used a spoon. So after I put the batter, the brown color, and I gave it some time to kind of settle down, I used a spoon to shape, like you can see now, to shape it out in order for when we cut the soap through, it will look like a mountain. And you will see the end result when we cut the soap. It turned out just the way I imagined it to be. So I'm really happy and really proud of this project that I did. So I hope you enjoy watching it as well. Now, after I did that, I started pouring the blue color for the sky. And this is when we added the sun in bed as well. And then we finished off by piping the top with white clouds. And that's the end of it. Now, I really hope you enjoy watching this one, and as I mentioned, if you are not yet participating in the giveaway, it's never too late. You can always go back to the first video of the month of September and get to know better about it and maybe participate. And if you get the chance to win, you will be winning 1 bar of each release from the month of September. That makes 4 bars in total, and that will be shipped out to your address in the US or Canada. Now, without further ado, I'll keep you to watch the rest of the video and then the cut at the end. And until next week, I'll see you again. Take care of yourself, stay safe, keep smiling, be positive, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.